this is Linda from the Detox Market, and I'm going to show you 3 ways to do your brows. So for the first step, I'm going to brush up my brows with the spoolie, and then I'm going to use the Lily Lolo Eyebrow Duo to fill in the brows. This adds fullness and gently fills in with a soft finish. There's also a clear wax on the other side, and I'm just going to use that to set the eyebrow hairs. That finishes off the look with the Lily Lolo Eyebrow Duo. For a more defined brow, I'm going to go in with the Plume Brow Pomade. I'm going to brush up my eyebrow hairs with the spoolie. Then I'm going to dab a little bit of product onto the back of my hand. This helps me control how much coverage I want on the brows. The Plume Brow Pomade is infused with the growth serum to encourage fullness of the brows. It also comes with an angled brush and spoolie, which I'm using throughout this video. Next, I'm going to use the Alima Pure Eyebrow Pencil to fill in my brows. This is great if you have sparse eyebrows or if you need to fill in any gaps. I'm going to use upward strokes to fill in the brows starting from the middle of my brow. Using fine strokes mimic brow hairs. You can use more pressure or less pressure depending on how opaque you want your brows to turn out. I like using more pressure on the end of my brows to create a more defined look. To finish off the look, I'm just going to brush up my brows with the spoolie. This softens and distributes the color for an eyebrow that lasts all day. So that's 3 ways you can fill in your brows. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below or send us an email at hello@thedetoxmarket.com.